A butter squishy. Can I do a ASMR? Okay, later. This is... Baliktad ba to? Is it baliktad, guys? Oh no. So pretty. Am I pretty? My sister did to me. My sister did it to me. Can I do a ASMR, okay? ASMR now. Tell me more. 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 I'm giving the butter. I have a real butter over in my closet. There. You see that, Elsa? Guys, that is my closet. And I do not speak English too much. I only nasi-speak din ako ng Tagalog, guys. Gusto lang ako mag-English pala. Mag-viral ako. Please like. Please like. I'm gonna be poor if you not like. Sorry. I have my butter. I have a real butter in my closet. So guys, you want to see it? You can see it. If you like, you can see it. Okay? Okay. We have to finish this video. Okay, I think I'm tired. Okay, guys, bye. See you in the next video. So, guys, bye-bye to the Miss Butter. Bye-bye.